Legal regulatory compliance. Airbnb hosting may require compliance with local laws and regulations. Some cities and municipalities have specific requirements for short-term rentals, including registration, licensing, and tax obligations. Failure to comply with these requirements can result in fines or legal penalties. Research all the laws, policies, and taxes of state where you intend to rent your property out, and be ready to adapt to any changes in regulations or laws and seek legal advice if necessary.